Well, this is ultrasound of the thyroid of a female, young female. Here, transverse section. This is the left lobe. This area is the left lobe. It's symmetrical in outline, no calcification, normal dimensions, and echogenicity is normal. Low level, you can see echogenic. This is the common carotid artery in transverse section. This is the jugular vein in transverse section. And this is the normal. I'm sorry, let me go to the thyroid. Okay. Here we are again. You are seeing the same picture. The echogenicity is normal, no abnormality of the echogenicity of the parenchyma in transverse section. Now this is the longitudinal section of the lobe. It's normal. No, it does not show any hypervascularity. Now this is the right lobe in transverse section. This was the left one, and this is the isthmus. This is the isthmus. This is the cartilage, and here is the left lobe, in which we can see that there is a cystic nodule. This one. Now this is a cystic nodule measuring almost approximately 18 into 14 centimeter. So it's wider than taller. One thing to note, it's more wide than being tall, because the latest studies show that the Leon cystic nodule being taller, more taller than wider, it's suspicious of being of aggressive nature. However, this is wider than taller. The wall does not show any lobulation, and the internal area shows wall with the wall, echogenic areas. These are echogenic areas. This is the wall of the cyst, and these echogenic areas are representative of degenerative material within this cystic area. These are areas of degeneration. As such, no solid element is seen, no solid element seen, and it does not show any vascularity within. And the vascularity of the lobe is also normal. This is the cystic area, the echogenic area. Within this is no microcalcifications, and no lobulation is seen in this case. This is this is more in favor of being of benign nature. However, further on ultrasound we can just give this much and report it as we see it. The rest lies with further investigative procedures. The size of the lobe is normal. It's not enlarged. So this is a case of cystic thyroid nodule with of benign nature, with areas of internal degeneration, that of the right lobe of the thyroid. Thank you very much.